Hey friends, it's time for a cash stuffing. October. Happy October. It's nuts. Like, I'm just gonna say this every video, so just get used to it. Time freaking flies. Okay, so let's empty this out. I have a couple dollars left from the consignment sale, and because it's only a couple, I'm just gonna throw it in here with my rollover and put it towards savings challenges. So I think it was like $237 and I spent $225. I did do a vlog on the consignment sale, so that will be coming. Just a little bonus video. I thought it would be nice since I talk about it all the time, just to vlog it a little bit. But look at this receipt, you guys. Just keeps going and going and going. And there it is, just between friends. Again, if you're wondering about the name. But I got 57 items for $225. And look, it even averages out. It said you paid $3.94 per item, which is awesome. And let's see, my most expensive item was, I think it was like $8. Let's see. Oh no, 12. So $8 for a pair of Under Armour jogger pants for my son, and then $12, which is normally I would not pay $12 for an item like at a sale like that. But it was this absolutely freaking adorable, like, candy cane dress with like ruffly skirt, and it came with like red and white striped pants. It's like a boutique style outfit for my daughter, and I just thought that would be absolutely precious to take pictures with Santa in that outfit, so I grabbed it. I was like, need. So that's the story about the consignment sale. That is done now. All this time, all the saving up, and it's done. So let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9 left from that. And I wish I had actually more than I had, because I did put a bunch of stuff back. So I think I'm going to even up my goal next time for saving. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's see. Cash, rollover cash. Let's see what we have here. Not as much as I was hoping. So this cash is what I did not spend from my spending money that I allot myself for the previous 2 weeks. So we have 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 69, 70, 71. So $71 there, and this was what, 9, right? So $80 rollover, and I am going to just, as I said, set this aside, and this will go towards savings challenges. Let's see if there's any change in here. Yep. Got a good amount of change in here, and I do still save my change after every 2 weeks. It's not a whole lot ever, but you know, it's all going to add up, right? So at the end of the year, which we are fast approaching, I will go ahead and I will, you know, cash this change in and just put that extra money towards something. So it's just a nice little bonus for me at the end of the year. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're doing today. Let's see. This is my seasonal undated budget planner, available on Amazon, and I know I've said this a couple times, I do have a new planner coming. So stick around in case you're in the market for a new planner. And you guys, I have videos galore. Let me just show you. I had to literally write them down so I didn't forget. But all of these are going to be coming, plus the consignment sale vlog. So we have videos out the wazoo right now, which is a great thing. But yeah, this is linked below, and this is going to be our last month of using this planner. I can't believe I used this for an entire year already. It's nuts. So yeah, so we're on October here. We got our little jack-o'-lanterns, our skulls, our bats, our ghosts, super duper cute. And this is one of my bookmarks, magnetic. Again, this is available in my Etsy shop, and this just, you know, keeps my place for me. So we're doing, as usual, $150 cash in the wallet. I stopped breaking it up finally because I haven't been separating it out into categories. So I'm just writing it 150 in cash, and then I leave 50 in the bank. That goes towards my gas. And we're doing a couple sinking funds, and then we have a little bit of money for challenges. But before we do that, I did give my mom $80 towards what I owe her. So I do want to make sure that I notate that down. So I am using Destroy That Debt. This is my debt payoff planner. This is also created by me and also available on Amazon. It is linked below. This helps you track 12 debt payoffs. So for every debt, you get this like info sheet where you write the name of your debt, you get your you write your starting balance, what your interest rate is, your minimum payment, a target payoff date if you have one, and then any notes. And then you get ample room to write all of the payments that you make. And then each debt has its own savings challenge, so you can visually see how much you're paying off and what your progress is. And then you get a notes sheet as well at the end of each debt, along with a couple like total debt tracker sheets. So there you go. And there's debt payoff by month and all the things. So I am using this again to keep track of what I pay my mom. And today is October 3rd. So we're going to write this down, and I paid her $80, which brings me down to $9,700 even. I can't wait to give her that $1,000 once I save it up from the 1K savings challenge. Yes, that's going to be super nice. So we're down to $9,700, and I think I can actually color a pig. So let me grab a marker. And each of my little piggies are 100. That's not the right color, but whatever. So there are 100 images on each savings challenge. So whatever your debt total is, you divide it by 100. And then that's will tell you what each is. And in my case, it was easy because it was 10,000 and even number. Each of these is $100. So we paid $300 so far, which is nice. All right, let's put that away. And let's count the cash. And I do, once again, need to make some change. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 60, 80. 180 here. So we need some tens. Let's see what we can do and what kind of change we can make over here from my binders. I was not going to lie, that was rough. I had to go through both of my sinking fund binders and the savings challenge binder to even find change, but we did it. We made it through, which means there might come a time very soon where I don't have any change. So when that time comes, we'll have to just figure that out. Okay. So let's see, 150 always goes in the wallet, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, and let's see, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, so let me just count that again real quick. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 50. 150. Okay, that was a struggle. Because I didn't want to take the only 10 because I do need to give birthday money. And I didn't want to give it in all ones. So that's the reason I was hesitating there. So let's put this in and then let's see what we're going to do today as far as sinking funds. So we're putting $10 to birthdays. So let's do that now. And I actually need to take 60 out of here because we're going to dinner tonight for my nieces. Both of my nieces, both of their birthdays are in October, so we're just all going to dinner tonight. So we're adding 10. So I'm going to take the 10, but then I need 30 for each of them. So 30. There we go. So we now have 20, 40, 62, 3. $63 in here, and this is getting really low. So I need to really work on bulking this up very, very soon. So we're gonna put this back in the folder, and then this $60 here, I'm just gonna set this aside, and this has to go in their cards. So that is done. Let's see, we're gonna do 20 into Christmas. We'll save that for last. $10 into Penelope. That should be the last. Okay, scratch what I just said. $10 into Penelope. Now, I only have $102 in here, and I really need to break up this 100 and get it in real cash because I pay for her grooming appointments out of this, and there's no real cash in here. So I might need to go to the bank. This is in savings. Any prop money is in my savings and my high yield savings specifically. So I'm probably going to need to do a little transfer out and then get her some real cash in here, because otherwise I'm not going to have anything to pay for the groomers with. And she did just go last week or the week before, but she will be going probably again in November. So I just need to make sure, obviously, that I have enough for that. So we're adding $10 in here today, and we had 102, so now we should have 112. So 100, 5, 10, 11, 12. 112 in there now, and that is so depleted that it makes me sad. I am doing a savings challenge for her, but it's going very, very slowly, especially because the last few weeks I haven't been doing my regular challenges, so I need to get going on that too. All right. Next, we're doing $10 into Amazon Prime. Now, I normally do $20 every single month, but it was very tight this month for me, and I do have a couple extra months where I could totally skip, but instead of skipping, I decided to just do 10 instead of the full 20. That way I'm still putting something in here, because this is due by March, and I only have 80 more dollars to go. So if you figure November, December, January, February, you know, I'll still have enough time. And we're going to do 10 today, so I'll do 10 another time and then have 3 more months of 20. So let me grab a marker. Okay, and this little tracker I just made for myself quickly on Canva, and we're only going to color half because I am just doing 10 today, as I said. And this is prop money, so this gets transferred right from my paycheck into my savings account. So we now have 100, 20, 40, 50. 150 in here. And again, this is for Amazon Prime. Also, I pay for Amazon Kids subscription for my kids' tablets, and Amazon Music as well. I pay for all of that stuff. And it's all due around that same time, within a week of each other. So have to make sure I have it saved. Okay, last but not least, we're just doing $20 into Christmas. 10 of it is in cash and 10 of it is in prop. And again, the reason for that is just because I can only take increments of $20 out of the ATM. I know I say this all the time, so you might be tired of hearing it, but just in case there's some newbies out there, that's the reason I'm doing half prop money and half cash. And I will say, now that it's October, I may start buying some things and I may start taking some money out. So it will be nice to have a little bit of real cash in the Christmas binder. That also means that pretty soon it's going to be time to make a large transfer out of my savings to get all this money in real cash so I can start spending it and buying Christmas presents, which that bums me out to be taking a lot of money out of my savings. Okay, $3 IOU from last time. Let's go ahead and just pay that because we have the money. 1, 2, and 3. That was from when I finished Janelle's challenge, her Grinch scratch off challenge. So we're not going to count this right now. Just going to throw the $3 in there, and that is done. And let's see what we're going to do. we have $10, so I feel like I want to, I was gonna say I want to put something towards like Nigel's Nuts or Hide the Sausage, but I also kind of want to maybe just finish something. Let's see. We have 3 here on Tracy's challenge. We probably definitely cannot finish that with like $17. Let's go back here to this one. This one's from Ellie on Earth. Let's see what we have left here. 3. Ugh, probably not going to be able to finish this either, but let's try it and see. So this is only a $65 challenge. So we have 5. Oh, plus 10 is 15. Okay, we have $2. So we are almost definitely going to have an IOU, but let's see. Yeah, okay. So it's a 4. So we have a $2 IOU, but that's okay. Here's what I'm going to do because this challenge was finished. Well, is finished. Scratching. I'm going to put this money in. I'm going to take out the envelope, and just like I did last time, I'm going to put the IOU on the main envelope there, just because I don't feel like it's necessary to leave the envelopes in there just to pay an IOU. So another challenge gone, which is good. I'm trying to get these finished now, obviously, because Christmas time is right around the corner. And so I do want to start, like I said, shopping. Okay, so before I forget, let me write down my IOU. This is another one of my little magnetic bookmarks. This one's Christmas themed. And we have an IOU. Sorry, I just bumped you. An IOU of $2. So we're going to put that here. And let's see what we have. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, 950, 960, 70, 80, 90, 95, 1000, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 1073, I think. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So we're going to stick this back in here. This needs a condensing like crazy. And that is on my list of videos to film, so that will be coming. But for now, we have a $2 IOU and the binder still closes. So that is good. All right, we did everything today that we needed to take care of. Thank you for joining me and for helping me finish all my to-dos. I'm gonna go film the savings challenge video, and then maybe some of the other videos I have to film also. I have the October member exclusive savings challenge ready. I just need to film the video and then get those made, and those will be coming out to you. Check out the Etsy shop if you're interested in anything. I did put a sale on the entire shop. Every single thing in the shop is on sale for the entire month of October. So there you go if you want to grab anything. Thank you, my friends. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.